Hello everyone, welcome back to my second gaming channel. Today I would like to share the Instagram filter again, namely Wendler filter Instagram. So before I start the tutorial today, please subscribe, activate the notifications to follow my activity on YouTube videos. So I start the tutorial today. Please, the first is open on Instagram and tap on shared. We can type by Oliver Poker. Yep, this is for, and then we can tap on the smiley icon and we can choose when the rise on Instagram. So open it, save to our Instagram camera, then try it. Okay, now, yep, this is Wendler's Instagram filter on Instagram. So we have finished to get the Instagram filter, namely Wendler's on Instagram by Oliver Poker. So I stop the tutorial today. And before I close my tutorial, please subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much.